You guys broke the ice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, apparently the ice isn't that thick. Easy, old girl. Easy, old girl. But it was holding me. It's at least, look at Stinky. It's at least an inch thick. Come on, you maniacs. Get out of the road. Just kidding, it's fine. No one's coming down the road. Look at that bush. Baby Jinx! Are you crazy? Look at this. Completely covered in ice. Hey, look, who wants it? Get it. Roofer, do not actually, are you? Oh, dang, that was cold. I'm not doing that again. Chat, Mr. Pirate. Shadow Machine, are you cold? Apparently not. They're best friends. Don't worry, okay? She's not gonna eat her. They're besties. I don't have the remote for her e-collar, but I'm sure she's not gonna go that far. What, Jinx? Come on. Come on, Denise! More ice. Ah. Come here, Lacey! She's a pretty girl. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. You better get down. No. Hey, stinkers. You stinkers. Where's Wilburn? Wilburn? What are you doing? No, she's... Yeah. You're huge. You're such a big dog. Oh, you're so vicious. Oh, you're so vicious. Aww. My dogs may be insane, but they know their boundaries. Except for Lacey. She was being bad today. Jinx and them, they know. See, they all know their boundaries. Even the old dog. So they're not fighting. Very slick. Oh, I just fell. That was fun.